VS Code versus Cursor. Which one is better for coding with AI? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare Visual Studio Code, VS Code, and Cursor, two code editors that are popular among developers, especially if you're into AI tools and writing smarter code faster. Let's start with VS Code. It's the most popular code editor out there, and for good reason. It's fast, customizable, and works with almost any language or framework. With extensions like GitHub Copilot, it becomes a powerful AI-assisted editor. You get smart suggestions, autocomplete, and full control through plugins. But it still feels like a classic code editor. Not built for AI, but works great with AI when set up right. Now let's talk about Cursor. Cursor is newer and built specifically to work with AI, especially for people using OpenAI's models or other LLMs. It lets you chat with your codebase, rewrite whole files with natural language, and even debug by just asking questions. It feels more like a playground for AI-first development. So which one is better? If you want full flexibility, tons of plugins, and control over your environment, go with VS Code. But if you're all in on AI and want a tool that treats your codebase like a conversation, try Cursor. Both are awesome. Just depends how deep you are into AI-powered coding. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.